Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or traveling around the world, saving upfront puts you on the path to achieving those dreams. Saving first requires discipline and self-control. By saving first, you create a financial cushion to weather any storms that come your way, giving you peace of mind and security.
Welcome to the FAM Podcast, a podcast about finance and mental health, teaching you good monetary habits to increase your income and improving your relationship with money, all while helping you with your mental well-being. And now here's your host, Braimoh.
Hey everyone, Braimoh here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be sharing with you 5 compelling reasons why you should spend what's left after saving, not save what's left after spending. All right? Don't worry, I will explain in a minute. Let's dive right in. Reason number 1, prioritize your financial goals. By saving first, you ensure that your financial goals take precedence. That's very important. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or traveling the world, saving upfront puts you on the path to achieving those dreams. It requires discipline. Okay? Number 2, cultivate discipline and control. Like I said earlier, saving first requires discipline and self-control. It shifts your mindset from impulsive spending to intentional saving, thereby empowering you to make wiser financial decisions. Smart, right? I know. Number 3, build a safety net for your emergencies. Life, we know, is full of unexpected twists and turns. By saving first, you create a financial cushion to weather any storms that come your way, giving you peace of mind and security. You can't debate that. Reason number 4, accelerate wealth accumulation. Guys, saving first allows your money to work for you, whether it's through any of your investment or retirement accounts or even passive income streams. Prioritizing savings accelerates your journey to financial independence. It's good to actually cultivate that habit to always save first before you spend. And number 5, shift your mindset towards abundance. Saving first cultivates an abundance mindset. Instead of focusing on lack, you approach life from a place of abundance, knowing that you have the power to create the future you desire. It's important to just have that mindset. It's not about just spending or buying and buying and buying. It's something that will empower you. Okay, guys? So there you have it. 5 powerful reasons to prioritize saving over spending. Don't spend that money. Are you ready to make the shift? Let me know in the comment section below, okay, what you think, what are your thoughts on your spending behavior. Stay tuned for more tips and insights. Until next time, stay safe, stay fabulous. This is Braimoh saying, personal finance is personal. Bye-bye.
Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the FAM Podcast. We hope you learned something valuable today. Be sure to subscribe wherever you heard this podcast so you never miss a future episode. And remember, health is wealth, and wealth is health. We'll see you next time.